traversing roads, crossing bridges, navigating tracks, flying routes. Who traces the paths that others will follow? Who assembles the railway lines and then catches the train? Who can look where there is nothing to see? Who imagines, risks, and undertakes? Ahead of their time, optimists who always see opportunity. Visionaries who intuit, trust, and pave the way for others. And who, no matter how much the times and the means of travel change, they will continue to lead the way for others to follow. Bringing people together, uniting communities, shortening journeys, lightening the load, and finding solutions to every new challenge. Merging present and future, no matter how many years go by. Ferrovial, 70 years leading the way.